You can do it. It's so dark, I can't even see you. So you could do anything you wanted because I wouldn't be able to see you right now. I swear I cannot see you at all. William's just having a field day over here. What are you doing over there, Billy? Billy, I can't even see you. Seriously though, well, I mean, I can see like your arms. I was gonna say your skin, but that's kinda creepy. I can see your skin. You could juggle. I mean, you could do. I don't know. I figured that was just something you do on a regular basis.
People just juggle behind closed doors so no one sees them. They don't want to be judged. Fucking juggler.
Not another juggler. There you are.